Hi, I'm Carol Allen. I'm Agent Associate in Food Safety here at the University of Maryland, working out of College Park. I work with farmers all over the state with good agricultural practices and produce safety rule. And today, I'm here at the Apple Workshop being held in Keedysville on November 7th. And I had two presentations, and I worked primarily, my message was primarily on two of the biggest problems, air quotes, problems, producers have when it comes to food safety on their farms. One is specific for the apple industry, is how do you clean all of the field bins, the picking baskets, the bulk bins? How do you effectively clean and sanitize those items, because they're difficult? So we went over basic cleaning and sanitizing, but also talked about specifically how you can probably do a better job, either through methodology of cleaning and sanitizing or scheduling frequency. I also brought in some of the new research that's being done on how do you clean and sanitize some of these difficult textures. Wooden bins, do you even try? No, replace them. What about picking baskets with the canvas and the leather? What challenges do those present? So we talked a lot about proper cleaning and sanitizing. And then I rolled right into worker training, because if cleaning and sanitizing is a big issue, so is worker training. We depend on them. We wouldn't have an industry without them, but we know that human beings, we pass germs back and forth. And a lot of times your workers are the ones that handle your produce the most. They're the last hands that touch the produce before it goes to market. So there are things that you want to talk to your workers about. Hygiene, clothing, hand washing, when to hand wash, when not to hand wash. And there's going to be some specific things that are appropriate for your particular industry and maybe even your particular farm. And then we talked about task training. You're going to want your workers to harvest your products, specifically is how you want them produced or you want them presented, how they're going to be packaged, all of those very specific worker training things. So it was a fun hour and a half on food safety, covering the two most important things in all of food safety. Thank you.